In this segment, we'll learn about customizing user creation form. Under the Fields and Form section in Settings, click User Fields. To create a new user field, click New User Field. Fill up the field type, label and default value. If there are multiple values, use a comma to separate them and press Enter to add. A default value for the drop-down or checkbox option can be chosen from the options. To create a template, click Template under the Fields and Forms section. You can edit the default user form from here. The default user form will have some existing fields already added. When you edit, you can add new fields, rearrange the fields, or make some fields required in the template. To use this template, click Create User button from the navbar. Here you will be seeing the set of fields based on your choice of template. Once created, you can view all the entered details, including the custom fields in the Users tab.